More than 3,000 years ago, someone drew this gaze.
市场今天真热闹啊！我终于把剩下的鲜美都买完了。
这真是个好消息，我们今晚应该庆祝一下。
Before ink ever touched bamboo, meaning lived in bone. A woman kneeling, still. A gesture so ancient it became a word. Bronze came, and with it, refinement. A hairpin catches the light. The figure grows more graceful, more certain of itself. Until the strokes settle, and the character for woman is born. Then beside her, movement, small arms reaching upward, open to everything. This is the child, unguarded, complete. And over centuries, that gesture is refined, distilled into a single, perfect sign. It is here, in the meeting of these two, mother and child, that the ancient Chinese found their word for good. The brush unites them. Woman to the left, child to the right. How? Good, right, beautiful. Three meanings, one stroke of the brush. A civilization's quiet certainty that love, held simply, is the shape of perfection.